nakitlong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit parpasngam. Ka beats aqua. Shpausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt shakmat batshadian, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak saw point lak. Just wow.
Uba wailat miki shila umentri bekmi yakatnat sports and Udafest jong kasoka chala. Hinin kasngi ula pulut like and taka por ka bakodor ka chung ba unkmi bansaki yaka final ke limpung ilakai ke Meghalaya State Archery Championships 8,000 Rio kabla pelong yaka ka Archery Association of Meghalaya. Habakren ko mukongsan ba wailat miki usngokmen banchema UI pagani ke limpung ikop kamde ke plano silang region baro ki district ke blapoi banyashimta ke layo pakin korela kitak ma ki jongki. Kabahang ni omla ban klem da ai kublai ka Archery Association of Meghalaya ya ka jingtrai borba ka jongka bakan kintiu bat sei ka sap siat knam ka banala jongki khana perki samla da lor karta la purturu ya ka Archery Association of Meghalaya ka balam kum ka sinjok ka blatrai shitam ha ka liang ka jing pun khe ka jongka yela ka kanhun ka ban sai khon ha ka limpung jong National Games 8,000 arpnyo ban salong ha ka ni jela da lor karta ba walat miki umla ban klem no pertu yo menteri rangba ka jelau konrad ki sangma blashim kya ban bu sindan na thong ban pinklai ki kamila kan sports hangne po ka jela ka ba hakini ki news nem ki blalai ka mangtika jong ka sports and youth affairs kalaki no ka nyopho klor tengka shadu ka praspa sau klor tengka ka ba kham skau tanat ban yos ngau na ka jingkrang ka jong ba wailat miki ka long pana ka first Khelo India Tribal Games ka ba hakani ka limpung ka Meghalaya ka layo ru ban bat ka kadan ka ba khatlai ka ba kum ka jela ka dang yaibu susu yaladi ya ka thong ba hapo ki sansnem ki banwan kan la panang kham kunjo shagi thong ka ba kham chalo
now I think almost 3 hours I got the opportunity to witness the competition. It was very exciting one and nail-biting one. So for this, I would like to congratulate each and everyone who have been a part. And most importantly, what I'm happy to see is when I look at the medal tally, that it is equally distributed. It was not dominated by one district. So for this, once again, I congratulate the Archery Association of Meghalaya. That means they are able to reach out to each and every district, and also they are able to provide the support which needed. So once again, a big congratulations to the Archery Association of Meghalaya, and also to all the participating districts. It's very happy to see for you coming, and especially for our friends traveling all the way from Garo Hills, all the way coming here. It is, I must thank you for coming and participating. And also at the same time, I would like to thank the coaching, the technical team behind, because we know archery, it's a very technical game. It's needed the required coaching and support. So I would like to congratulate each and everyone who have been a part and for making this championship a successful one. So I won't be lending my speech because I have a cabinet meeting at 4:30 just after today. So that's why I won't be lending my speech. But once again, I'm so happy, and I must take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for prioritizing sports and youth affairs department. Just to inform to all of you, my young archers, in the past, I think for many of you, you are like thinking that whether this state championship will happen or not, whether we'll have this kind of competition or not, because in the past it was the support, the kind of support which needed, it was not there. But under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, who have increased the sports budget from merely 40 crores 7 years back to this year 844 crores. It is a huge jump. That's why now we have money to support you, to support the station, to support this kind of championship. So because we do realize in order for you to able to participate in other part of the country and the world, you need this kind of competition to build your confidence. So that's why because of the support from the government, and as you all know that, and once again I must congratulate the Archery Association of Meghalaya that they are one of the association who are very active in the team preparation. In the last review meeting, we have seen that they are doing very well. They have been traveling all over the state for the selection, for the team preparation, and also I'm so happy to see that all our effort, all our investment being made, it's starting to show the result. Just recently, the press asked me that how do you see that that sports it's growing in our state of Meghalaya. So I just mentioned that because of the team preparation and because of our investment, that's why we are being all the association, they are doing very well, especially just to share with you that in the previous, before this year, in the previous Khelo Tribal India game, the Meghalaya is ranked 28. But in the last year, we are able to jump from 28 to 13 rank. So everyone is shocked and amazed to know because it is a huge jump, and we are confident because of the hard work of the different association and the support from the government, we will be able to reach in the top 5 in the next coming year. So please continue to work hard, and the government is trying to come up with support and especially policies in order to encourage you, archer. As you all know that we already passed the Meghalaya Outstanding Direct Appointment Policy, where whoever among from you, especially in the coming days, especially in next year, where we will be hosting the national game, whoever will bring medal, you will get direct government job. You don't need to appear in any exam, you don't need to request any minister or anybody. Bring medal and take your job. So we have been doing and coming up with this policy in order to support and encourage you to work hard. And please remember, when you play, you don't play only for yourself. You play for your family, you play for your district, and most importantly, you play for your state. So please take pride in representing your beloved state of Meghalaya. So with these few words, once again, a big congratulations to all the state champions. I hope you and I hope to see that you will work hard. And for those who are not able to win any medal today, this is just the beginning. If you don't able to win medal today, but you win my heart today. So big congratulations to each and every one of you. So with these few words, thank you, Mithila, Kublai Shibon, and Jai Hind.
Iperti yonga toki Ivan, kowi ko pram kwa okhanai pi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแบมกว่าแลสกอมคันตอมฉันแน่พะกามนี่ทำเป็นบทเองกินหลักพะ
Bon sen kibru jukli phagi yanga. Tangi khmat phom chna. Yi yo phayo dai.
ไม่นี่ก็ทลายโชว์เลยนี่ไว้ทลาวลินได้ลิวัน
Hey, kena! Hey! Punya telah! Eh, kena!
Testament kami ni je tak phong hay dùng.
เอาละ
Khẩu tắm quan chân là gitu.
แต่จะเช็คให้ยุ่งเลย
Còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên husu cái gram mà tao bốn cái gram tem etiar đi pi.
Man gasni he ching im yonga. Dabdu I ching ele. He ni ching dong.
Mem kiri nama pada ibu nari dah ibu bisa pang lah sini dah dah tiga.
Teman em jahat
Em sẽ là năm sang kéo kéo vào
Katala
phòng.
nga. Mem do ching
Soal
kerana.
dewan raga ko kurki ke skill Meghalaya แต่มีนปดีyang pi ke kuat lai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bawa cina bawa sains suruh.
Ngaku ai amalai.
Dan duduk ni tek.
ปลายกันรันเป็นโยยังงากระลัดกลุด
Tak pengal cepat.
Nganong dang chat naman po yung chat gom tum na ba. Ha pa pi ni.
Ini.
Pi ai tu ha.
พายุวันแต่เล็บอกีอิมเสียนี่วักทังหักมัดกระเบยอุปา
Ni kau ya pakai kini kan?
Pepelang nang pa. Tu AP yang ah.
Kau ni kot. Kau lai training pa. Internet sahab.
Tahu hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa hikai gua nongkong daga sampel desain gua ar dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan juga sampel desain dah ini dah gam tu nak lihat itu tu
หักมัดกระประไทยเป็นโยด้วยอิจแมนนีร์ไทย
Ini cek tu nak besar ke arma.
กับเพื่อนทางมาและดูมิสินเดียสเคดเอากำมกว่า
Ni saya tu yang right now kan. Dah soi nak.
Makam dah sebelum. Kakak tak.
Suruh ke kong na daru miat baik. Pini ni cina bah ma yo ra asasandar jan hara.
Oh, yang ngalak cepat jan spi. Tak, saya sebelum nak tak mana.